Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about a Chefman cordless 7-speed hand mixer that we picked up from Sam's Club. We just happened to be doing our weekly shopping and we came across this deal. It shows online on the Sam's Club website as being for $39.99. It was $15.07. So we were just checking it out and I was like, I don't think it's probably any good. But I was surprised. So it says, cut the cord, but keep the power for hassle-free hand mixing. 7 speeds can quickly whip cream and handle thick cookie dough. Automatic slow start prevents splatters and splashes. Color-changing lights show the charge level at a glance. It has a nice push-button start here. We've got a blue ring to show that it's fully charged. It also has a battery indicator right here on the handle with an LED readout on speeds. So you have a plus and a minus to select speeds, and you have 7 speeds there. Very nice, has an eject button to remove the blades, so the wisps, you can take them out, clean them, wash them. Now it has a large hole and a small hole here for the left blade is different than the right blade. So you can't mix them up. They go in, snap in. Only goes one way so that they're in the proper time. And as the battery goes as charging, this ring around the top, it changes colors. And like I said, it's fully charged, so it's blue right now. And all in all, it is a very nice built unit for $15 instead of $40. I think if you're shopping, go walk through the store there and look for your deals. And sometimes you come up with a pretty good deal. Now the handle is comfortable. The LED readout is premium. I think the whole unit is premium. And $15.07. We are very pleased.